In the first few seconds of this video, you'll discover how to transform anxiety into serenity with 5 practical steps based on Stoic wisdom. We'll explore how to apply these principles to your daily life to reduce stress and find more inner peace. Stoic philosophy offers incredible tools to maintain calm and balance, and today, we'll learn how you can use these lessons to build a more serene and peaceful life. The first step is to focus on what is within your control. The Stoics believe that inner peace comes from accepting that not everything can be controlled. Epictetus, one of the greatest Stoic philosophers, said that some things depend on us, while others don't. Anxiety often arises when we try to control the uncontrollable, like what others think of us or uncertain future events. So, whenever you feel anxious, ask yourself, is this within my control? If the answer is no, let go of that worry. Focus only on your actions and reactions. These are the only things truly within your control. The second step to turning anxiety into serenity is to practice acceptance of events. Stoicism teaches us to embrace reality as it is, rather than fighting against it. Marcus Aurelius, Roman emperor and Stoic philosopher, practiced this acceptance as a daily exercise. He said, "Love your fate," which means we should accept life's events as part of our journey. This doesn't mean being passive in the face of difficulties, but rather recognizing that resisting certain events only creates more suffering. Accepting life as it is helps cultivate a calmer, more focused mind. The third step is to live in the present. Anxiety is often fueled by worries about the future. The Stoics believe that the present is the only thing we truly have because the past is gone, and the future is uncertain. By focusing on the present, you reduce the intensity of anxious thoughts and connect with the reality of the moment. To practice this, when you notice anxiety creeping in, pause and observe your breath, focus on what you're doing, and let the present moment fill your mind. This simple technique interrupts the cycle of negative thoughts and brings more serenity. Another essential practice is emotional self-control. The Stoics believe that it's not circumstances that affect us, but rather how we react to them. Seneca, one of Stoicism's main figures, said, "We do not suffer from what happens, but from our interpretation of what happens." Emotional self-control is the ability to respond to challenges in a balanced way rather than reacting impulsively. To develop this, start observing your emotions and ask yourself why you're feeling anxious or angry. This process helps you understand the root of your emotions, and over time, allows you to control them rather than being controlled by them. The fifth and final step is to practice gratitude. The Stoics highly valued gratitude as a way to find peace and contentment. When you focus on the good things in your life, even during hard times, your mind shifts away from worries and anxieties. Each day, take a few minutes to reflect on 3 things you're grateful for. This simple daily exercise strengthens your mind, shifting your focus from lack to abundance and bringing a sense of calm. These 5 steps are powerful practices to transform anxiety into serenity. At Motivation You Need, we aim to help you build a strong and resilient mindset capable of facing challenges with calm and balance. Remember that applying these teachings requires discipline and constant practice. The more you incorporate these techniques into your daily life, the more natural it will feel to experience peace and confidence, even in the face of difficulties. If you enjoyed these tips, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you won't miss our upcoming videos on mental health, balance, and personal growth. Share this video with someone who needs to learn how to manage anxiety and live more peacefully. Let's work together, one step at a time, to build a life of serenity and balance. Until the next video, remember, true peace comes from within and depends only on you. Transform your mind and you'll transform your life. Share this video with someone who needs to learn how to manage anxiety and live more peacefully. Let's work together, one step at a time, to build a life of serenity and balance. Until the next video, remember, true peace comes from within and depends only on you. Transform your mind and you'll transform your life.